We got a 2024. These are new, unused. All the mini excavators that we have in this sale are unused. They all got a couple dings here and there, but they are brand new, ready to roll. This is a H15R AGT industrial. It's got the 16-inch bucket on the front with the stationary thumb on there. We also have all attachments for these things in the sale. You can add onto them. They all got the auxiliary hydraulics, which is these hydraulics right there, and on the other side there, augers, hydraulic thumbs, rakes, swing buckets, you name it. 38-inch backfill blade down there. This one's got the joysticks for the controls. Super comfortable to operate. It's got a new gas engine in it. 13.5 horsepower. That's about it. I'll fire it up. This is the power switch, which is on when you're done using it. You turn it sideways like that. On, off. Choke right there. And here's your deal. Your throttle. So if you got any other questions about the Mini X's, go ahead and give us a call, email. Otherwise, start bidding. For the price these are going for, you can't afford not to have one. You do away with the shovel. But anyways, come check them out. Preview day, Friday from 9 to 4. The day before the sale is the preview day. Other than that, we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.